Respond cards allow you to make your activities more interactive on Speakable. To add one into an activity, simply create an activity, go to the Add Content, and click Respond. You have a number of options on how you can set this up. You can use a text prompt. You can record audio. Hola, ¿cómo estás? And you can choose to have your students respond by speaking or by writing. You can adjust the response time up to 3 minutes, and you can add up to 1,000 character limit on your response. If you'd like to add in media, you have the ability to add videos, images, and text along with text-to-speech.